Oil stocks are massively outperforming today given the Venezuelan news, led by Chevron, which has operations in Venezuela. Chevron really should be up a lot more today as it produces arguably 20% of Venezuela's oil. Trump said that American oil companies will spend billions to rebuild Venezuela's energy sector. We're also seeing gains in ConocoPhillips, Exxon, and the drilling companies like Halliburton and Baker Hughes. We're going to continue to see sector rotation out of tech this year and into energy, especially since Venezuela has the world's largest energy reserves. Now, the U.S. markets had double-digit gains in the past 3 years, and firms like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs expect 10% upside for the S&P 500 this year, as there are expectations of at least 2 Fed rate cuts, and inflation is less of a problem, especially given potential declining medium-term oil prices, given the Venezuelan news, which might act like a soft tax cut for consumers. Now, recall that 2/3 of the U.S. economy is consumer spending. Now, we also have tax cuts this year. Consumers will get well over $80 billion in tax cuts, and all eyes are on the December jobs report coming this Friday. Elon Musk will become the world's first trillionaire this year. SpaceX will go public this year. Musk owns more than 40% of SpaceX, and the IPO could value the company above $1.5 trillion. And SpaceX missions accounted for more than 50% of the orbital launches in 2025, and 2/3 of all satellites in orbit are from SpaceX. OpenAI will massively scale its app store and compete with Google and Apple's app stores. OpenAI has 800 million users, and the best investments in tech are platforms. If you own the roads, you charge the cars, which is what Apple, Google, eBay, and Amazon have been doing for many years. Plus, innovation has died in the Apple and Google app stores, and competition is a good thing for consumers. ChatGPT is now becoming an operating system. And most importantly, OpenAI is working with former rockstar Apple hardware designer Johnny Ives. Please let me know your thoughts in the chat. Thanks.